Okay, y'all, for our mushroom sandwich today, our lettuce and tomato mushroom sandwich, I have some like an inch thick portobello mushrooms that I had sliced up, and we're gonna fry them in some panko breadcrumbs. So I have a little bit of egg white, and then I have a mixture of panko breadcrumbs with fresh parsley and salt and a little bit of flour, and we're just gonna fry these up to be crispy. Okay, y'all, so I have a little bit, I'm gonna blister our tomatoes for our mushroom BLT. So I have a little bit of olive oil. You want your heat on a pretty high heat, and then you're gonna put your tomatoes. So I have some rainbow tomatoes I'm gonna use. I have some garlic, some fresh garlic I'm gonna use. Put that all in there. A little bit of salt. We're gonna let these blister, and then we'll come back and we're gonna put it, well, I'm gonna do it now. We're gonna do a dash of, I have balsamic vinaigrette, balsamic vinaigrette. And we're just gonna let that blister up for our mushroom BLT. There's our blistered tomatoes that will go with our mushroom BLT. Okay, y'all, so we're getting ready to fry up these mushrooms that I have, portobello mushrooms. I have a little bit of flour and panko breadcrumbs on them with a little bit of parsley, garlic, and salt. So I'm gonna take some of them out and put them on a sheet pan while we make the rest of our sandwich. Some of them need to cook just a little more because you want to have that golden brown color to them. I'm gonna let these kind of cook a little more, just a few more minutes. All right, y'all, so we got our fried mushrooms, crispy fried mushrooms. I'm gonna put a little, I didn't really put any salt, but just a tad bit of salt in here. I have a little bit of kosher salt, smidgen, DivineKuizine Mango Barbecue Sauce, DivineKuizine Mango Barbecue Sauce. We're gonna go ahead and coat our fried mushrooms with it. Coat that all up. Give it a little 1-2, 1-2, like you got them little buffalo wings. Coat it all up. More coat it with. Coat it up. Barbecue sauce, get it nice and saucy. Saucy. There you have it, nice and crispy, saucy. So now we're going to assemble our mushroom sandwich. Okay, so I have some toasted bread here, and we're going to use the DivineKuizine Mango sauce to go ahead and spread it on. So we've been using my products today, y'all. We got the Romaline out. I took out the mango barbecue sauce for y'all. We're gonna hook up this lettuce, blistered tomatoes, and then we have our crispy mushrooms. Fold it Okay, y'all, so I finished my mushroom MLT. Crispy mushrooms, let me show you one of those crispy mushrooms. Nice and crispy, y'all. Got my sourdough, I'm gonna roll them out and make a barbecue sauce. That's good, really good. Does it really make you get that crunch of bacon? It really do. This is good. That's good. I was kind of on the fence. I'm gonna get into this like vegan, vegetarian, clean, whatever this is called, food. The mushrooms are crispy. It was good to have that panko flour fried to it. Then you put that mango barbecue sauce. The mango barbecue sauce is sweet, it's spicy. Then you got the remoulade. Remoulade has a little bit of kick to it. It's more like a dressing. And then I did those blistered tomatoes with a tad bit of balsamic. So you get that little bit of balsamic vinaigrette in there. And then the fresh lettuce, the sourdough bread, the crunch from having it all crispy. This is a good ASS sandwich. So to get this recipe, go to DivineKuizine.com to get this, to pick up my products, the mango barbecue sauce and the DivineKuizine Mango sauce. Go to DivineKuizine.com. This is a banger. MLT.